Realistically speaking, millions across the globe apply for mortgages. Almost everyone needs a mortgage, right? When they're buying a house or renting or what have you. And mortgage companies and consolidators seem to be very, very stressed when it actually comes to turning around these decisions. Cost of processing also has gone through the roof for them. So, what, in your expert opinion, is the actual problem these guys are facing? The mortgage companies, I mean.
So I believe one of the key problems is that the application packages, they have multitude of document types and which are of at least few hundreds of pages, right? And these documents, they vary not only in the formats but also in their complexities. So and from these documents we also need to extract variety of key value pairs which are spread across the pages.
But any OCR engine can do that, right? If it is forms and structured documents, because mortgage companies typically get these kinds of documents, they can all be done by any OCR engine that's straight out of the box.
Not really. I mean, yes, the OCR engine can digitize the document, but there are two major concerns here. So, one is that not all documents that come along with the loan package are structured forms. And the second is that OCR engines cannot provide the traceability required even for the structured forms. That is, from an application completeness point of view, organizations mandate certain documents for compliance, right? So searching through these hundreds of pages and classifying them into various document types and then further extracting the required key value pairs is a manual. When it's done manually, it becomes a tedious task and also leads to error.
So, is it really enough to just classify these document types and just extract specific elements from these documents? Is that enough for the mortgage companies?
No, no. Nowadays, for completeness, it is not sufficient to be able to just classify and extract the data from these pages.
Hmm.
Uh, we also need to ensure the correctness. That is, we must be able to triangulate the data to be sure that the information that is provided in the documents and the data points that we have extracted, they actually belong to the same set of people, right, who applied for the loan. This will further add to the time consumed in processing the loan application.
So this triangulation, if you may, is not with some third-party data, but it is even within the existing set of documents. You really have to look at the information between page 1 and page 50 to make sure that it belongs to the same set of people, the same person.
Yes, we will receive one application, and along with that, let's say we received one mortgage statement. So we need to be sure that these two documents are belonging indeed to Mr. Adam, for instance, right?
Wow, this is so profound. And I don't think people realize this, that mortgage companies have to spend so much time sieving through all of these pieces of information. But as a product manager here at Scry, and having spent so much time with clients and with the product itself, where do you think Scry actually comes into picture?
So Scry AI has developed an AI-based product suite which is called Collatio, and that caters to all the woes of the manual work in the mortgage industry. So Collatio, with its intelligent document processing factory, can classify the pages into various required document types within a matter of few seconds, as compared to the hours which are spent when the same task is done manually, and that too with the accuracy of 99%. Collatio can further extract the required key value pairs from these documents and reconcile and validate the data. And it can also raise the alerts for the analyst or for the clients in case if certain values are not matching, or if there is some missing document type in the entire package. And all of that, this is done in real time pretty much.
Wow, thank you, Akanksha, for explaining this so very well. Now you know, folks, why it's so important to use Scry for straight-through processing and what Scry is all about. We specialize and focus in straight-through processing using AI as the underpinning to everything that we do here at Scry. Thank you for watching.